Hello traders. This is the quick update on Nifty short straddle setup. So let's have a June month review, a complete month of June. So in the month of June, we got total 9 trades and win trades were 7 and we got 2 lost trades. On net basis, there was only 1000 rupees profit based on this straddle. Now this Nifty short straddle has a win rate of 76%. Okay, so as per last 26 months of backtesting result, this trading system has delivered 76% of time profit. So 24% of time there are losses. So in June month, though we do not have losses, but uh, at the end of month, this was only break even, no major profit, no major loss. So this was 24th June trade. So here you can see this participant made profit with 3000 rupees based on 2 lots. 24th June, second participant, we sold 15750 call put. Profit is almost 2200. Third participant sold 15750 call put, profit 1500. 23rd June, Wednesday, 15800 straddle, we sold, profit 1200. Second participant made profit 1065. So we designed this setup every Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, just 2 days in a week for best win rate. Third participant 15800 call put, sold, profit 1200. Fourth participant 15800 straddle, sold, profit 1185. This is 16th June trade. We got small profit on 16th June. Nowadays India VIX is also at lowest level, 12, around 12 13 level India VIX is trading. So that therefore in some trading sessions we do get less premiums. So therefore you can see we have a small profit of 686. 16th June 15850 straddle we sold. 10th June 15, this is strangle trade, 15650 call, sold, 15700 put, sold, profit 15, almost 1600. 15650 put, 15700 call, profit 877. Now this trade is as per 10 lots. This I have already discussed in previous video. So guys, if you wish to learn this straddle trading system, you can invest 1 hour. You can attend live session at 7 p.m. any day between Monday to Sunday. Okay, you need to invest 1 hour where you will learn at what time we should take entry, what should be the stop loss, what should be the exit time. So if you are interested in learning straddle, what you can do, you can contact me on this number. As a trader, just you need to maintain discipline. Come what may, every Wednesday, every Thursday, you will design this setup. There will be some trading sessions where you have to take loss, so be mentally ready. If you do this, there are very high chances you can actually double your trading capital within 1 year. So if you are interested in learning Nifty intraday short straddle, you can contact me or WhatsApp me on this number. Thank you.